In this video, I'll be giving you today's price update on Jasmy coin. I'll be making a quick price analysis using the chart pattern and the current market performance. So if you are interested in contents like this, if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you will always be notified each time I upload new videos like this on this channel. I'll be using the 1-day time frame to make this analysis. Currently, the 1-day chart of Jasmy has formed a double top. When a double top is formed like this, as I will always say, it gives a clear indication that the price of the coin is about to embark on a major downtrend. And currently, we have a double top formed on the price of Jasmy. Now, if you can identify this point very well, this is a double top. This rectangle marks the double top. We have the first top within this region and then the second top right here. Now, the way I understand a double top and see a double top as a means through which a coin would experience a major downtrend is that I see the first impulsive move. Now there's a first pump from this support right here, and this first pump is responsible for the first top. That's the first resistance created right here. I see this as a momentum from the buyers. Now the buyers go into the market with a huge momentum, and because this momentum is high, they pushed the price from the support to this particular resistance, and then after this resistance is created, the sellers go into the market and their momentum bring the price down to the neckline of the double top. Now once this neckline is created, the buyers then go into the market and push the price up to the previous resistance. Now what I see within this region is that the momentum, the buy momentum, is not strong enough to break above the previous resistance, and so the pressure of the buyers is very weak and it couldn't break above the previous resistance. So from that level, the sellers take over the market, and because the sell pressure is higher, it takes the price below the neckline, that's below the previous support, and you can see it displayed right here on the price of Jasmy. This momentum, the sell momentum, is too high enough to break below the neckline and leading the price of Jasmy down to this particular region. So if I'm to make the marking right here, this is the neckline of the double top. Alright, so this is the neckline of the double top, and the sell momentum was strong enough to break below the neckline. That is to show you that the sellers have taken over the market and their pressure is higher than the pressure of the buyers, because the buyers couldn't break above the previous resistance, but the sellers could break below the previous support. So this gives you a clear insight that the sellers are currently in charge of the market. Now, since the sellers are currently in charge of the market in a double top like this, the most likely thing to happen is that an impulsive move will be created from the new support created by the sellers to the neckline. Now, once this impulsive move is created, the neckline becomes a major structure for the reversal. So for example, from this point, this is the support right now. There would be an impulsive move from this point to the neckline, and then from the neckline there would be a reversal. Now this neckline becomes the next resistance for the impulsive move, so there can be a reversal from this point back to continue the downtrend. So this is how a double top works, and you can see it playing out right here on the price of Jasmy coin. You've seen the double top created, the neckline created, and the sellers breaking below the neckline. If we are to consider the current price action and chart pattern of Jasmy coin, what I see to be happening on the price of Jasmy coin is a downtrend, the continuation of a downtrend. And if you will relate this to the current market performance both on Binance and on CoinMarketCap, you would also see similar thing. Here on CoinMarketCap, this is Jasmy USDT pair on Binance. You can see the market analysis. This is the amount of funds going into the coin right now. About $132,000 are going into the coin right now. And then when you check the amount of coins going out of the coin, that's the amount of sell transactions, you'd realize that it has about $216,000 going out of the coin. So the buyers are spending about 132,000 and the sellers are withdrawing about 216,000 from the coin. And this gives you a more clear and precise evidence that the sell pressure is higher on the coin than the buy pressure. And you all know what a sell pressure can cause for a coin. It actually helps in reducing the price of the coin. It aids a downtrend on the coin. And if we are to refer to Binance, you would also see similar thing on Binance. Now on Binance, we have the sell orders lower than the buy orders. On the buy orders, if you are to check the data, this is the total data of the transactions on Binance. We have large buys about 5.06%. We have medium buys about 13.99%. And then we have small buys about 28.38%. And then when you go to the sell transactions, you see small sales about 30.89%. You see medium sales about 16.32%. And then you would see large sales about 5.36%. So the sales are higher than the buys. If you are to sum up everything, you'd realize that the money flow for the sell orders is about $1,063, and then the money flow for the buy orders is about $959. So there's much of money flow in the sell transactions than that of the buy transactions, and this gives you a clear indication that the price of Jasmy is currently experiencing a downtrend. For the price of Jasmy to experience any major impulsive move or any major pump, there would have to be a breakout above the previous neckline, or the previous support rather, to even break above the previous resistance created on the double top. And it will really be very difficult for that to happen. Although the market can surprise us at any time, we don't have full control over the market. But from what we have right here, the most likely thing to happen is a continuation of a downtrend. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a wonderful day.